Should be live. Should be live. Let's see. All right. Let's see what happens. Like, honestly, how's it going, Atomic? I'm like mad tweaked out. Like I'm yeah, this morning was interesting. But we shall see what happens. I'm like really nervous. I don't want to blow these accounts. How's it going, everyone? Oh my gosh, I'm like I'm nervous. I'm not super opposed to like longs today, but I'm just gonna I'm gonna try to be careful, you know. I don't want to just get toasted. Like I need like good higher time frame confirmation. We also have data lows technically, but see how this opening candle. We got data lows down here. Jeez. All right, so we take data lows out immediately off the rip. I do standard for XFAs. And then we wick up. Interesting. Yeah, just gonna be watching like the higher time frame. People made money gambling CPI. I mean, yeah, I didn't like trade before CPI, but there's a chance that I just like don't trade because I already got like a winning day technically. So if I don't see something like good, but honestly, like, yeah, I'm gonna see how this opening 5-minute candle closes. If we can like invert all these gaps, but we're seeing like it's struggling. How's it going, everyone? Yeah, ES looks more bullish. Damn. What is going on? Okay. Can we like invert all these? Like, why is Why is there so many wicks, man?
Order filled.
It's a little bit of a pre-fire. Maybe I just get cooked. Who knows? Nah, I should have waited for 5-minute candle close. Alright guys, I'm like it. I should have waited for 5-minute candle close. Oh my gosh. Yeah, clearly mental capital is not there. Honestly, like, I'm not even going to try to fight the allegations today. Freaking deserve that.
Order filled.
Alright, guys. I'm going to get flamed for this crap. But I mean, I deserve it. Kind of had like a bias towards, yeah, I definitely should have waited for the 5-minute candle close. But just for like full transparency purposes, well, I guess this was the idea. I like wanted to play for a retrace into the 4-hour gap, and I thought that this would just continue and inverse all this because this candle was a lot stronger than all of these down candles. But what I failed to do was wait for a good 5-minute candle close, but I just tried to pre-fire it a little. Because if 5-minute candle closed up here, then it would have been good. But I guess another problem is that it does kind of go against like the daily bias that I had, which was bearish. I mean, yeah, it's 5 accounts. All good. I am not going to be buying it. Like, I still have 5 more actually. Backups, but I'm not buying any more accounts this month. So, now that's just completely like my fault because I didn't even wait for us to inverse all the gaps. I just like tried to predict the fact that we were going to inverse the gaps. Like that's just, it's just unideal behavior. going to, I'm not even gonna I'm gonna activate these, but I'm not gonna trade them until the other two accounts like these two accounts need to like get picked up as being blown for me to actually trade them. Yeah, I mean, I have to take accountability for that. Like, that's just, I mean, it wasn't ideal, man. But also, for if anyone's gonna come here and then just like say, "Oh, you're a gambler," like, sure, dude. Sure. I mean, I'm up this month, you know, 30 grand. So unfortunate to lose, but not every day can be a winner. Not every day could be a winner. I did not bank, bro. I just blew a set. Sadly. Yeah, I should have waited for candle closures. 5-minute candle closures, man. I mean, I could say, oh, this is what I should have done. This is what I should have done. But it's just stupid that, like, I just haven't fixed a lot of these things. So it's just, definitely on a loss streak, but I'm not honestly too super used to trading New York session. Like, a lot of the big trades that I've taken have been like overnight, but or like higher time frame swings. So I also have to, damn. Now a short off of that would have been cool because that's also a 5-minute close. But look, it looks like, okay, so we take out this low. There's a chance that just like a lot of trades just end up getting break even because damn, like this is a crazy wick. Now that loss was like fully my fault. It was fully preventable. Cause this short off of that would have been cool. Man, all I'm gonna do is like I know I'm gonna adjust. Like, I know I'm going to adjust. I just need to keep showing up and tweaking every single day. Like, obviously I'm not gonna show up and just do the same stupid thing every day. I'm gonna adapt, but sometimes you're gonna have to go through periods of learning, and today was tough. But I can only, yeah, I can't activate all of the next accounts yet because they haven't like all registered as being, I guess, blown. So there's a chance that maybe something interesting comes up later by the time I can activate them, but I'm not going to stay for more than maybe like, I'm not going to stay on for like too long. Hey dude, thanks. It just seems like we're reacting off of every high and low that gets taken. Like, geez. Every time we've taken out the low of the day, we've reacted off of it, which is just crazy. Oh, man. What the heck? Am I going to take my psychology after leaving the job? Definitely there's more pressure. I might take another trade. This is insane. Like, why does it take so long for my other accounts to get registered as being blown? But like, I'm itching. I'm like, I want a long. Like, I think that this high over here is getting taken out, but I just got in over here, and now like actually looks better now. But I used up all my accounts, bro. Yeah, just go for that big P&L day, bro. I don't really trade gold. Man. Looks like I kind of just... Yeah, that was... I keep saying this, but that was preventable. I think I need to like... Yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm not buying any more accounts this month, so I'm literally just going to be... trading whatever I have. Dude, this is... disappointed in myself right now. Disappointed in myself for that. Like imagine being able to just go long off that. Well, short off that, getting break even. Oh yeah, that's my dad singing. I don't know if you guys could hear that. Ah, stupid me. And that's like the difference. That's the difference between, that's what I was saying yesterday in my video, the difference between an unprofitable and a profitable trader. Because that tiny difference of a mistake could be the difference between ending up with a 10K balance today and blowing accounts, right? Interesting. Like literally sweep out this high and now it looks like we're sort of reacting off of it. Yeah, I still think that sizing up is good. Like I'm not against it. But definitely need to like size up on good moves instead of doing something dumb. I don't read or listen to any psychology stuff. Jeez. No, this price action genuinely is kind of nightmarish. Because it's not trending, we're just zigzagging. Like we sweep this low and then we go all the way up, sweep this high, and then we start going down. Like, geez. Entering with 1 in Q, seeing the initial reaction. If it goes against you, do not add. You will add if you get confirmation. Interesting. This is like quite possibly some of the most, like the 15-minute right now just looks insane. Like, what is this? You passed 2 Lucid 50Ks? Let's go, man. Good stuff. I'm taking a 9K payout from my Lucid accounts later. Dude, I'm gonna... Can I like... Should I like mute this Skibbity Gooner guy? He just like keeps commenting on every video. 24-hour timeout. Oh, beautiful. Dude is so... This guy's actually like... Maybe if I can untime out him, I want to hop in a call with him. I can't untime out him. Skibbity Gooner, hop on another YouTube account. I don't know where price will go, man. Like this price action is just, the higher time frame closes are just not really telling anything, so it's hard to predict. Tech gamer, gambler. Guys, I don't think you should learn to trade from me. Entertainment purposes only. But we are taking a payout on these accounts today for 9K. Do I play games? I don't play video games, no. I play the guitar. And I work out. And I just like spam videos on YouTube. No video games though. Thank you. I don't really know how to say some people's names in chat. Foos, you. Appreciate it. I want to be able to like activate my next accounts. Yeah, I don't know why I get so much hate. Like I get, it's actually insane, but it is what it is. I think it's because I'm the only one who's like, every time I blow an account, I'll update you guys, and then all of a sudden, like I just get people calling me a gambler. Like, bro, have you never blown an account in your life? Just because with my system, I like to full port. It doesn't really mean, like, obviously the variance is higher, but dude, I don't understand. Like, why do you think full porting is not good is my question. Because if that trade hits, if that trade hits, then I get a huge payout. You realize that, right? Damn, this is crazy. This price action is insane. This is like the craziest price action I've seen, bro. I think that, like, yeah, like, I'm not claiming to be perfect, okay? I'm not claiming that I never make mistakes. I make plenty of mistakes. But that doesn't necessarily mean I'm a gambler. Like, I've been doing something that's been like this past couple of months, I've made a lot of money. So it's kind of annoying that it's taking my other account's time to like register as being passed, but I mean not passed, but blown. Yeah, my Instagram's in the description. I don't know if you could trade. Looks like you can. Appreciate it, Foos. Nah, I'm like trying, guys. It's like I take life seriously, but some people I mean this channel's actually become quite exhausting because of how like actually how many people in the comments are just constantly like trying to tell me what to do. And I just like sometimes I wonder like who's behind that screen. Like, are they even successful, man? I've never traded CFD. Also, I barely even know it's like, what is CFD? No, but like, I also want to be able to respond to the nice comments, so I read them. Yeah, I hope I'm inspiring people. I hope I am. It's just like a mental exhaustion that comes from you know, just existing in this world, I guess, with all these people who imagine it'll be like a 40-year-old lonely man who lives with his parents and never wants to work. Perhaps, bro. This is crazy. Look at this. Pretty much sideways, bro. But within this sideways, there is a 300-point range. I actually set pretty good. My biggest purchase from Trading Profits, I have not spent anything. I have not spent any grand amount of money. I'm only in like 30K of profit right now, or like I'm in like 28K of profit. So it's not that much money. It's still like, I would still like to become a better trader, be more consistent, eliminate more mistakes before I like actually spend money. Like I don't see the point in spending money right now. Yeah, day trading is already mentally exhausting, and then just like if you add in like all these buffoons commenting on my channel, bro, like oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna start like banning people from commenting on my channel. Like I'm pretty sure you can do that. Like press hide. Not like if someone's hating for like a good reason or just like constructive criticism, I don't mind. But if they just like don't even provide any logic, they're just like, I don't know, man. It's one thing if I'm like, I feel like it was more valid when I was down and people were like, you need to quit. Like it's more valid, but now it's like I have proof of concept. You realize that I only have to pay taxes on the profits. So I don't know why people think that you get taxed and you can't write off your eval expenses. Like, of course you can write off your eval expenses. And I don't understand why people think you need to open up an LLC to write off your eval expenses. You don't. Like, the IRS can't take money that's not there. If you've gotten 100K in payouts and you 100K and you spent 100K on accounts, you've made no money, so they can't tax you on nothing, bro. Like, and if they can, then take them, like, let them take you to court because the money's just not there. So it's like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, law does not override logic, and the law said, and even if it did, the law doesn't say that you need to pay taxes. So, bro, I'll let the IRS take me to court. I'll let them audit me if that's the case, because I'm not going to. You can't just spawn in money out of nowhere. Yeah, I've coded in. I code in Python. That's what I used to do at my job. All right, maybe like by the time the exit phase, I can activate the rest of the exit phase. Then price action would clear up, maybe. If you write off all your eval expenses, you're only taxed on profit. So for example, I have like 28K or in around there in profits, but then I'm also going to write off other business expenses that I've had. So I don't think an indicator is going to save any of us, guys. Bro, listen, stop telling me that I need to pay taxes on a payout. If I spent money, if I spent $1,000 on accounts and I got $1,000 payout, I don't need to pay taxes. I just write it off. If somebody says that again, if somebody says again that I need to pay taxes on non-profits, I'm gonna mute you. That's like, it's just not true. Yeah, I'm in profits on. No, my taxes will not be 60K, bro. Bro, I'm gonna mute you. I'm getting taxed on my 30K in profit, bro. So my taxes are gonna be like around tops 10,000. Bro, I'm like genuinely getting rage baited by the chat. This is embarrassing. This is just embarrassing, guys. My family does know about my trading. Yeah. They don't. I mean, yeah, people do make comments on it. They're like, you're competing with all these people, these smart people in the live market, whatever. All right. Let's see. Looks like it's almost shoot, did I click the wrong thing? I just keep clicking the wrong button. All right, so I'm activating all my expresses right now. But if I were to blow these accounts, guys, then I genuinely need to get my head checked out. I think I already need to get my head checked out, but okay, hold on. All right. Literally just in this range. I'm 22. I'm not going to Dubai, bro. Like I feel like it's gonna go up, but this time need to wait for better confirmation. No, even if you set up an LLC, you're still gonna have to pay the same amount of taxes, guys. I'm old. I mean, yeah. I guess I'm old. Now you're actually making me feel old. I genuinely want to go long.
Order filled.
I'm doing it. If I blow another set today, 900 something, where is that high? Yeah, if this doesn't play, like, I'm gonna get my noggin checked out for sure. Like, if I'm being fully honest, did I wait for like AA plus confirmation? Not particularly, I guess. But yeah, damn, that's crazy. This if this 1 minute gap still holds. Why am I full porting a grand worth of fundage? Because if I win, then I get multiple times more. It's just like, it's just expediting the way the probabilities play out. Like, just, I don't know, man. Let's go, please just go up. Let's just rip it. Let's just rip it. Let's just rip it, guys. Come on. Topstep X I like better. Yeah. Bro, come on. Bless me, NASDAQ. Come on. I like what I see, though. The real question is it trolled to slightly expand my TP for that 10K bow? Oh, damn, like, what the heck? I need to be on the 1 minute shoot. I need to be paying attention to what's happening. Like, what the heck? This is, I mean, the previous 5 minute candle close was pretty good. So maybe I just need to grab my balls and let this thing play out. But yeah, that's ugly. Come on. I just want to see a really strong 1 minute candle. I want this 1 minute candle to, like, if this 1 minute candle closes right here and then the next one is like a really strong one, that would be like the ideal scenario. But we'll see what happens. I broke positive. I'm up like, oh geez, I don't like this wick. Come on, 25 seconds left in the candle. I'm positive like 28K right now. Come on, man. I'm on like a huge loss streak, bro. Yeah, close at the top here. Come on. Yeah, I want to see like, because this 5 minute candle is closing after this 1 minute candle closes, so it would be nice for it to close strong, right? Like, I'm so nervous, but I feel like I just need to grab my balls, but maybe I don't need to grab my balls, bro. Holy crap. That's an ugly 15-minute candle close too. Ugly, ugly close. Thank you, Foos. Appreciate it. Genuinely. You shorted for me so you'll make money if I lose? W. Nah, but I don't hedge, guys. I don't want to get banned for hedging, you know? I don't hedge with my viewers. I don't hedge with my viewers. I'm not associated. I'm not associated. Now, this is pretty insane price action, bro. Yeah, I think I'm just... No, I think I... Whoa. I don't... Yeah. Bro, this makes me want to actually, like... This genuinely makes me want to just be like, alright, I'm done with trading. Screw this. You know?
Order filled.
And also, like, right when we came down here, I was like, in my head, I was like, oh, I should just reverse the position. But then I'm thinking, oh, the viewers are going to be like, oh, you're gambling. Well, like, oh. It's alright, though. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Break. Break. I'm taking a break. Oh my gosh, what a way to end the week. Let me like genuinely think right now. Let me like genuinely think right now. what I should do. What should I genuinely do? All right, so just like, all right, just live journaling. Live journaling. I didn't think that this looked bad, but I suppose the stop is tight considering the volatility. But I just like in my head felt like I wanted us to retrace to this 4-hour gap, but we don't have a strong, like we don't have a strong hourly close. We don't have a strong 15-minute close. We've got tons of wicks. So maybe it is just me being stupid. I full putted the top 2 times in a row, bro. That's insane. Hold on. But what about if you enter here, how many points is that? Interesting. So the situation that I'm in now is like if we do go to the the situation that I'm in now is obviously no more top steps for the rest of the month. I have these Lucid funded accounts that next week, well, I'm requesting 9K from these accounts today. And I'm not trading these because they already have the winning day. Bro. He's gonna like go up now. I think I should have like, I'm not trying to think about how I should have prevented this trade because I've lost like so many in a row, by the way, but didn't even take out this high. Should I have like gone break even? Like, I don't understand. No, this like, and this price action is tripping me up because this 1 minute candle looks so good as well. And then the next one just dumps. So I guess it all just has to do with the higher time frame. The higher time frame. Trades work out when the higher time frame is displacing in one direction, and when it's like this, like downtrend, daily bias, bearish. However, trying to take longs towards this, which it could go there, but it just will go in an ugly way, I guess. All right, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to start scrolling through my chat and just start timing out all these annoying people because I'm sharing my journey. I'm sharing my journey with you guys, and like, just focus on your own journey, bro. Genuinely, if you're just going to like, I see the same people coming back and leaving comments like, bro, All right, everyone who's gonna call me a gambler, do it right now so I can just easily time you out. Who thinks I'm a gambler? My goodness. You are sharing your gambling. All right, next. But basically, for the rest of the month, I'm still trading live. Still trading live. I'm gonna be having these Lucid accounts, and I also have 5 TPT fundeds. 150Ks that I'm gonna size down on, because obviously, since I now no longer have any more allocation for the rest of the month, if I want to be able to even trade, then I'm gonna have to size down. So that's why on these accounts that I just need to flip days on, I'm gonna be sizing down on them. And then just the goal, I guess, my goal for this month is just to try to see if I can get one more payout. I'm up. Let me check my spreadsheet right now. I'm up 38K this month, and overall up 28K. So it just came out of the negatives. And now I just need to... No, I didn't use the topstep code. And I need to... Yeah, I'm sizing down on these. Like, I'm not full porting them. For real. Because not only that, they also have intraday trailing drawdown. And I'm just going to use them to... Like, if I could just get one... I have 2 more weeks. Dude, I'm telling you, if, like, we do go up, like, it's just going to be so annoying. I can't use the topstep code because I already got 10 comments this month. Like, if we genuinely do go up and take out that high, tap into that gap, and I just, like, entered at the wrong time, like, low-key the ideal entry is this, but that low-key gets break even too. Yeah, that gets break even. No, I need to, like... Obviously, there's times in the market where people are profitable and not oh my gosh, like, did I actually just get in at the wrong time? There's times in the market when people are going to be unprofitable. There's times in the market when people are going to be profitable. What I need to focus on is being as little unprofitable as possible when the markets just aren't good for me, and as profitable as possible when the markets are good for me. And the way that's going to happen is by having, you know, some sort of working system. So, damn. I get like screwed twice going for the same draw. And if it eventually does hit, like, it'll be kind of sad, but yeah, maybe it was just like the wrong day to be sizing that heavy. Like, now it really looks like it's gonna go, by the way. Like, I genuinely still think this long just looked beautiful, especially even off the 5 minute, that 5 minute close. But this long looks even more beautiful because obviously, yeah, like guys. No, I guess, I mean, yeah, confirmation, I guess, is key. Like, taking a long off of this close, you're going to make less money. You'll make less money, right? But you'll be safe. But I'm not going for that. I'm going for the make more money, be a little riskier. But imagine me just, like, react off of this. Like, that'd be insane. Fall back into the range. I'm gonna get a YouTube mods. I'm gonna get some YouTube mods for real, so that I don't have to like be the person who's timing people out. I might just get some mods from the people I know in my Discord server. Dude, this hurts. It hurts that I long here and I long here for this high, and now it looks like it's going to get taken. And now I just like have nothing. Well, I'm sticking to what my current strategy because I believe in my current strategy. I entered here. I entered there and I entered there. And if I had accounts, then I would have entered again. But bro, genuinely, who in the chat is profitable? Like, YouTube genuinely makes me want to crash out, bro. I trade on a PC. Alright, Legend Theory says he has proof he's profitable. I'm scrolling up through the chat. China. Alright, he said time to go back to that job. You're still up, keep your head up high. Alright, listen. See, he's not hating on me. He's profitable. Onyx. Oh my gosh. And maybe I'm doing it for the engagement. Yo, look. Oh my goodness. I was very close to securing that 25K top step payout. It just means I have to try again, guys. Just means I have to try again. Yeah, that's kind of true. I just got to start ignoring them. I don't know if I should press the timeout button or the put user, like hide user from channel button. Would have been absolutely insane to have this thing run. Let me just see how many points I got stopped out by. Got stopped out by like 5 points. Dang. I don't want to like completely censor my channel. Like I want people to have freedom of speech, but dude, I got stopped out by literally 5 points. It's 721. 721. I got stopped out by 3 points actually. Yikes. I entered earlier. Tough. Just got here. What happened? Ooh. What happened is I blew 10x FAs. Bro, I got stopped out by 3 points for a 10k bow. Oh, I was right. I was right. We'll get him next time. Alright guys, like video coming later I guess. There's a lot of things that happened this week, because this week I've done, let me count. I've done like 20 something K in payouts this week, so it's not all bad. 9,000 plus 4,000, 4,000 plus 23.7K in payouts this week. I just like feel like I just need to go take a nap or something. How much have I spent on accounts this week? Like 7 grand. Yeah, I haven't banned anyone. I just timed them out. I already took the trades that I only need to get like a winning day on my Lucid accounts. And I already got that winning day last night. I streamed actually. It's like, since I already got this winning day, there's no need for me to... Damn. Are we gonna like edge that high? This is insane price action. How much do I make in an average week? It's very hard to say because I started making like a lot in the past 5 weeks. Dang. But next week, for the rest of this month, I'm still sticking to the plan. And coming on every day and showing up and going for my trade and sizing down. On these TakeProfitTrader accounts, I'm genuinely going to size down to like, I'm just going to try to have them stay alive for as long as possible. And potentially it's possible that, like, I'm not claiming to be like some amazing trader, but it's possible that I still, even when sizing down, I'm not able to have more wins than losses. It's possible. But the goal is to just keep improving as a trader. Like, I'm not even claiming to, I don't come on YouTube and say, oh, I'm like some sort of crazy profitable trader. Like, am I in profits? Yes, but I'm on a journey right now. And you're up 78K on the year so far with topstep and Lucid. That's crazy. It's only been like 5 weeks. Wait, actually, no, I think I might be up that much I'm up 80. Oh yeah, I just said that's crazy. I'm up 81.7K on the year so far. But I was down last year. Volume analysis, bro. Like, the thing is that I believe that my strategy works, so I have no reason to change it. Like, I don't want to complicate it too much. I don't want to overcomplicate things. Jeez. This is insanity. Net, I'm up 28K. On this year, I'm up 81.7K, and in total, I'm up only 28K because last year I was down a lot. So my goal for next week is to take a good trade on these Lucids. These Lucids are going to have 3K balance, so I'm only going to need to make like 1 to 1.5K. Then I'm just going to go for winning days on them. And then when it comes to the TakeProfitTrader accounts, I need 2 more flip days to pass them. So that's Sunday. So that's Monday, Tuesday, and then on Wednesday I'll be able to trade them. And then besides that, the only other money I'm going to spend on accounts this month is some MyFunded Future accounts that are rebilling. That are going to rebill. Man, it really does suck to lose all the topstep accounts though. TPT 50K, I don't know. Like, you just need to size. It depends on your strategy, bro. It really just depends on your strategy. But I definitely am going to like take a step back in general from like, I guess trade. Like, I'm going to still be trading, but I'm going to try to take a step back and do some reflection and figure out why markets will be open on Monday, but they close early. And just figure out like why I'm on like a loss streak. But it just has to do with conditions and my patience ability. My patience ability has never been quite there. Quit social media and come back when you're up 100K net. I want to like build and document the entire journey though. Like, I have a vision. I have a vision for my channel. But I just need to like take a kind of a step back. Take a step back and like reflect on what is causing this loss streak to occur. What can I fix? How can I adapt? And yeah. Rough day, rough day. So pretty much just lost 4K. That's $4,000 that I spent on those accounts. And so basically in the past few days I've lost like 6K. No, I've lost like 8K, let's be real. I've lost like, no, low-key I've lost like, yeah, 8K. 8 to 10. 8 to 10K of losses this week. So I've lost 8 to 10K in value of accounts, and I requested 23K in payouts. This is like my biggest losses in a long time. Though. Did I make my own strategy? I didn't. Well, I did actually. Well, it's not even a strategy, bro. It's just it's just my intuition. Bro, I don't. Dude, I use that lotion to like moisturize my body. Like, why does everyone? I see people leave comments on my videos like, "Yo, we got lotion in the back." Like, bro, that's my lotion. Like, lotion is a real thing, you know. Can we like? Gotta hop on silver. Silver, I don't know. Isn't like didn't topstep like ban silver? My goodness, this is insane. I think I need to there needs to be some sort of rules that help me thrive that I create. I'm gonna post a video. I'm gonna be posting multiple videos actually, because there's so many things happening at the same time. Topstep only has intraday trailing drawdown on their lives, I think, on their live accounts. On the funded accounts, they don't. Interesting stuff. That is a crazy wick. No, I genuinely like want to I want to hop in a call with people that have issues with me. Join my Discord. Let's hop in a call. I'll hop in a call after this. Yeah, I don't understand how there's like, I've never seen so many trolls like on YouTube except for my channel. It's like insane. It's insane, bro. Someone like, people are gonna hop in a call with me and they'll be like trying to teach me. They'll be like, "This is what you gotta do, bro. Like, you have to listen to me." Like, yeah, bro. I want them to like turn their camera on, bro. Turn their camera on. I'll hop on a FaceTime. It's like mildly entertaining though. Maybe it's not a good idea to trade live when you're doing this when you're full porting. Maybe I should just not be trading live. No one is profitable by pure intuition. Maybe in the live market. Well, I don't know. Props are different, bro. Because I'm technically making money with pure intuition in the live market, with props. Now, if it was the live market, it's different. I did not full port CPI, no. My job, data analyst. Yeah, obviously, I'm not claiming to be like a profitable live trader. But when it comes to making money with prop firms, I am making money. It's easier. It's definitely easier to make money with prop firms. Like I would not trade the same way on live, guys. One thing I might do is actually open up a live account with like $1,000. Because if I don't have it, if I blow all my accounts, because I'm not buying any more accounts for the rest of this month. But the thing is right now, I have some accounts. I have like tons of savings. Like I have time to figure this thing out. And like the channel is literally me documenting the journey. It's not like I'm like, oh, I need this. Like I have saved up money. I'm literally green with prop firms. I have time to figure this thing out. What percent of traders are Asian, bro? I don't know. Bro, you blew over 100K on accounts. How exactly am I making money? Because I've gotten over 100K in payouts. I've gotten more payouts than I've spent. I'm literally like wouldn't have even graduated college, so I'm still living at home with my parents. You can hate all you want and be like, oh, he can do this because he's living at home with his parents. Like, damn right I can do it because I'm living at home with my parents. Because guess what? While other people are going to college and going into debt, I'm over here. I got a job. I saved up money. I started trading. I'm now green with trading, and I have time to figure it out. I still would have been in college. Like, stop hating, guys. This is my life. I'm choosing to share with the internet. I think it's cool. I think it's really cool what I'm doing, actually. If you want to, like, I actually never backtested. I never backtested until I started trying to teach a couple people. Some of my friends in the Discord, link is in the description. I started trying to teach them, so I would just backtest in front of them. That's the first time I ever backtested. You're 18 living by yourself. Yeah, I mean, it can get pretty lonely. I don't invest my savings into an index fund. I literally just have like crazy cash sitting in my savings account right now. I've never tried Bullonix. I don't think it's a good firm because of consistency rule and I don't like it. I was clip farming yesterday. Whenever I'm not trading live, I never react like that. Because I know that if I do that, I can make a reel out of it. Because last time I made a reel out of that thing, it got like 30K views on Instagram. The last time I did that. My dream car, I don't care about what car I have. I literally just don't care. I just want to live a cool life and be financially free. You have $0 in verified payouts, and I'm willing to take one more student under my wing. I don't even understand the joke there. Sure. Man. Annoying day. What did I do as a data analyst? I just like automated reports. I was like doing data engineering too, actually. This is crazy. I think that this kind of market condition is something that you can make money in for sure, but I just haven't adjusted to this specific kind of market condition. I think that's the problem. Like my strategy is not meant for this kind of market condition. So the next part of my growth needs to be knowing how to avoid this and then potentially developing another strategy that works within these conditions. So definitely need to spend some time this weekend thinking about that. Yeah, I'm going to get more on top of this. How long do I look at the screens? It's no set amount of time. Oh, I only trade futures. How long did you have to be in the green before you decide to quit your job? So basically, I don't think that like me quitting my job and full committing to trading, like, do I think that that was the optimal decision? Not necessarily. The reason why I made that decision is because I've always wanted to not necessarily trade, but just make money outside of a 9 to 5. And I was slacking at the job and I just couldn't get myself to, do a good job at the job. So for that reason, I decided to just quit because I have enough money saved up, to last me quite a while. And even if I were to have to live on myself, like I still would have enough savings to last me quite a while. So I'm just giving myself that time to figure it out and try to make trading work. So I'm not like saying, oh, I'm in the green right now. Yeah, but would I consider myself like genuinely a profitable trader? I think it's yet to be seen. I just wasn't doing a good job at the job. Honestly, that's why. So it's not that I'm like, oh, I'm profitable now. Yay, I get to quit. No, that wasn't my thought process. My thought process was I'm willing to take that leap of faith and risk now because, okay, there's enough here. I'm working with enough here to where it's not completely stupid. But at the same time, like, yes, it is a risk. At this current moment in time from quitting my job, it's like there's good and bad to it. I definitely felt like slightly more pressure, but I'm also calm right now because I have faith that it's going to work out and I have savings and I'm willing to take a step back now. Like if I still had the job, I'd probably be reloading on accounts because I know it wouldn't matter. But right now I'm just like willing to take a step back and slow down because I know I have that time so long as I'm not being stupid. I do have that time to step back and and make sure everything's working properly. Quinn, to answer your question, it's worth it if you're a good trader. Any prop firm is worth it if you're a good trader, or almost any prop firm, I should say. If I have $500, would you spend it on props or save more and work a job? $500 is not a lot of money. I'd probably spend it on props though, just knowing me. Just buy like one account and just lock in. I never had 100K. I never had 100K to put into trading, man. Since I got like 100K is around 130K, or at this point it's probably 137K. Yeah, I put around 137K into props. I never had that much money liquid. As I was paying money into props, I was also getting payouts, which also helped it. So I was only ever in like, not anywhere close to 100K. TopStep has discounts. Did I get them? No, I already passed 10 evals before the discount came out, so I can't even use that discount code this month. Dima, is that how you say your name? Appreciate it. This time I blew 10 and then I passed 10, so I had a 50% pass rate on the 150Ks. So I mean, 50% pass rate's pretty good in my opinion. Though I could have had even a better pass rate. The discount code for TopStep's literally on the TopStep dashboard. Like, I'm pretty sure you could just see it. Dude. Not a good way to end the week off, but I just need to like reflect. That's a crazy 1 hour candle, by the way. We had like beautiful price action for a while, and then this is when I started like actually needing to take real trades, and it just cooked me. And then yeah, this as well. Like I didn't trade this New York session because I was still passing evals, and then I get this New York session. So there's also the only problem with me, I guess, is that there's too much luck involved, because I am able to take advantage of like cleaner price action, and I'm unable to stay out of this worse price action, I think. You're doing better than most. Yeah, I mean, yeah, just like the fact that I'm green means that I am doing better than most automatically. Yeah, I'm trying to have this be like the most transparent possible, but it's like really biting me in the butt sometimes because of how much like random haters I'm getting. I'm not making any predictions on if it's an NQ bear market. Like I just need to look at like the shorter time frames to take my trades. Like I don't know if we're gonna go into a bear market. But this, to be quite honest, this is a little bit of a like it does like knock on my confidence a little bit. But I was on like a crazy streak where I got like 3 payouts in a row on my funded futures from the same accounts, 3 payouts in a row from the same TopStep accounts, and 3 payouts in a row from the same Lucid accounts, and then I blew 4, like pretty much. I mean, I blew the set of TopStep accounts that I got the payouts on, so that's set 1, and then I blew 3 more TopStep sets. So that's insane, 3 in a row. I mean, that's really unfortunate. Yeah, I mean, if going into the day I'm looking at like the higher time frame, like these are just my raw thoughts. Looking at the higher time frame, I do in general feel like I would have had a bearish bias for this low to get taken out. What I would have wanted to see was overnight, like, I mean, just this right here, the fact that we just continued lower here without retracing up here and then slowly starting to chop back, like slowly starting to chop up here. That's what I would have wanted to see, but we just kept going lower. So that automatically makes it so that the daily bias of being bearish is less likely to play out just because we just slowly chopped down. So then that made me flip my bias to be like, okay, maybe we're going to retrace to this gap today. Because we haven't retraced at all. But, I mean, that's a huge range. I don't know. I do journal. I just journal in my like manually written notebook. I don't yeah, exactly. Like the higher time frame I was bearish on, the lower time frames I was bullish. I guess it would be good to have alignment everywhere. This is definitely avoidable. I mean, it was definitely avoidable. I think that when you go on a streak of losses, your mental capital is automatically depleted, and my mental capital was definitely depleted, so I have to like think about that. Like it's just a fact that I haven't recovered fully from all the string of losses, so just slowing down now, taking a step back is definitely necessary. I didn't expect, I was also in my mind expecting like, okay, well, probabilities are, like with how many sets I did, the probabilities that I would take at least one of them to a payout I thought would be higher, but had some inverse edge going on. You think it would be good to explain my thought process in depth before entering, but then it takes too long, I feel like. I can't explain the whole thing. I would not buy Lucid Direct accounts. I would buy Lucid Flex 50K. My interview? I've never done an interview. But welcome to the channel. Alright guys, I'm going to start journaling and making a couple of reflective videos. It does look like we're probably going to tap into that gap. I don't know. It is unfortunate. Yeah, someone did a reaction video of me. I did see a couple videos posted. No, I can't buy any more topsteps this month, and I'm not going to spend any more money this month because I've already spent $7,000, so I don't want to spend any more money on accounts this month. Do I trade funded accounts in groups? Yeah, I do. I group them by firm. All right, but guys, I'm going to start journaling and stuff and probably make a couple of YouTube videos. I have like a few YouTube videos to make and also just like reflecting on life some more. But if you guys want to like chat, connect, join the Discord server, links in the description, I would appreciate it. What was my parents' reaction? They were just like, didn't care. What do I put in my journal? I just like, I just journal anything, just my thoughts. And I probably would have made, well, obviously like I wouldn't have lost all the $7,000 if I put it in an Alive account. Like I wouldn't have lost it in the first place, but the earning potential, like I don't regret anything. Do I think I could have conducted myself better on the charts? Yes. There are always going to be ways to improve, but I would do it again. Anyways, appreciate everyone for stopping by. Had some inverse edge today, yep. But Yeah, join the Discord.